All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We are going to be looking at the SPY, okay, the S&P 100 500 or the S&P 500 ETF. All right. So what I have is I have the Fibonacci's drawn up here. All right, we've got our swing lows and our swing highs up here. What I want to show you guys is that we bounced off of the 50% mark on the fibs, okay? The 0.5 level. All right, which this is an indicator, all right, that we're in a normal uptrend, okay? If we would have bounced off the 61.8%, all right, that would have been an indicator of a weak trend, and then a strong trend bounce was here off of the 38.2%. So I just want to show you guys we bounced off of here and the SPY is in a normal uptrend, okay? Which that makes sense, all right? The SPY is pretty much normally bullish, all right? And, you know, that's just normal, all right? The SPY goes up. All right, so what we saw was just basically the SPY doing its thing. A lot of people have been panicking, okay, and thinking that, you know, the market was going to crash. And then, you know, the news puts out all this crap about the OMICRON virus, etc. You know, they're really trying to push that narrative, and we played that narrative well, okay? These two red days right here on the SPY, because we're looking at the daily chart, so each candlestick represents a day. We made a lot of money in the Discord on these, and we were prepared for the bounce and the rebound on this day as well. And, you know, we're really just killing it. We love trading the SPY. If you trade next day or same day expiration contracts, the rewards are very, very, very rewarding, but it's extremely risky and volatile. Okay. You can be down 50% on your, you know, on your SPY options. And then, you know, an hour later, you can be up 200%. So you got to have the stomach to, you know, handle that volatility. But anyways, what I'm getting at, all right, is, you know, the SPY is in its normal trend. Okay. So you don't need to fear about the market, people. All right. This is not a bear market right now. Okay. Be cautious. All right. If you notice, we have an indecision little Harami Doji candlestick right now. Currently on the daily chart. So, you know, this is an indecision candlestick. All right. So we could see things creep up a little bit more. All right. We would need to see more demand and buying pressure. Okay. Buyers would need to step in. All right. So let's say we come up a little bit more, and let's say we hit 470, 471 area, and then we pull back down. Okay. Then that would give us, because we already have a left shoulder right here. We already have a head right here. All right. If we come up and let's say here, let me draw some things for you guys. All right, so here's what the market can do. Okay, we can continue rallying off of basically Santa rally, okay, and go up like this. All right, and you know the S&P could hit 500 very, very smoothly. Okay, or what we can see, because today is Wednesday at the time of this recording. All right, what we could see is we have this little indecision candlestick here. We could see tomorrow, Thursday, we try to creep up a little bit. Friday, the consumer price index comes out, CPI report. Now, let's say that that's bad. Let's say it comes out and it's not, you know, bullish case for the market. Okay, let's say it's not exactly what everyone wants it to be. All right, and that's on Friday, and then Friday we come back down. Okay, and it looks really, really bad. It's like, oh man, let's see what if we let's say we go from here. What am I doing? All right, so yeah, so let's say we go from here, okay, over to back down to that shoulder, okay? That would be about a 2% drop, 1.8% drop on the SPY, okay? Now for the past like week or two, I'm predicting that and this is just all speculation, that we will have a 2% drop on Friday. And here looking at the chart, it looks like, you know, we could see that, okay? All that would need, as I'm telling you, is on Friday is a bad news catalyst, and the news catalyst that I think we see is going to be possibly a bad CPI report. Okay, so be on the lookout for that, for a bad CPI report. So basically, we'd go up like this. All right, we'd come back down. Oh, CPI. Oh no, boom, and then buying pressure is going to step in here, because people know, and you know, hedge funds, they know that the SPY only goes up. All right, they know we bounced hard off the, you know, 50% on the fibs, that we're in a normal uptrend. and that, you know, you buy the dip. Okay. So be mindful of a big dip here coming soon, either on Friday or within the coming weeks. I want you guys to be prepared for that. Okay. I feel like they're trying to shake a lot of people out of the market right now. And then in January, they're going to tell everybody what an amazing, you know, end of the year the market had. Okay. So don't get shook out. All right. Definitely be prepared. Okay. You need to be prepared and, you know, be able to play the downside. Okay. So if you're interested in playing the downside and how to prepare, okay, for a bearish market, all right, for a bear market or a crash, quote unquote, because a drop of 2% or 5% or 10% is not a crash. Okay. But everybody wants to call it a crash every time that things dip. Okay. So just, you know, be mindful of that. And remember what I'm showing you guys. Don't forget Friday, the CPI comes out. That could be a good catalyst. Okay. So, you know, we could just go up. All right. The SPY could just continue to go up. It's been moving very dramatically in the past few days. All right. If you look in the past, you know, the candlesticks are not that big, the daily candlesticks. And here recently, we just have huge moves on the candlesticks. Okay. So, you know, it's been very volatile, which has been very good for day traders like myself. You know, this is what we love. We love volatility. So, yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a general market update. Okay. Generally, when people say talk about the stock market or the market in a whole, okay, what they're speaking of is the S&P 500. All right. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, the link will be in the description below to join. Use code Zachly to get yourself a discount on the membership. And also, you know, click this video here if you guys want to learn how to play the downside and be prepared for the downside. Okay.